I'm Jose Otero, and this is IGN News. At its Worldwide Developers Conference keynote, Apple shared new details on iOS 9, the next update to the operating system powering the iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. The Senior Vice President of Software Engineering at Apple took the stage to show off iOS 9's new features. Now, according to Apple, it will extend battery life, increase general performance, enhance security, and improve the user interface, starting with the most used apps. One new feature is the Proactive Assistant, which makes several quality-of-life changes to the operating system. Siri in iOS 9 is over 40% more accurate over last year, and 40% faster as well. You can now set reminders for nearly anything, including something as small as fetching the coffee off of the roof of your car. Photos in iOS 9 are easy to search. Simply saying something like, "Show me photos from Utah last year," can bring up the images you're looking for. The new Photos app also has a scrubber bar at the bottom to more easily search through your collection. The Map app includes a new transit map, which gives more accurate step-by-step directions, even when walking. Transit is rolling out of 10 cities across the world: Baltimore, Berlin, Chicago, London, Mexico City, New York City, Philadelphia, San Francisco, Toronto, and Washington, D.C. Notes will feature a new toolbar update. With more formatting options, you'll have the option to add checklists, pictures, and drawings. A new app called News creates a custom news feed based on articles and publications you read most. When you first launch the app, it asks which topics and websites you're into. Every time you launch the app, it updates with new features and news stories. This isn't just the biggest of the big. You can also include small blogs, local papers, and more. News is rolling out first in the US, UK, and Australia. For the iPad, iOS 9 includes a new multitask switcher that pops up when you double tap the home screen. By single finger swiping from the side of the iPad, you can have two apps active at the same time. Now, Apple says iOS 9 adds 1 hour of typical use to the full iPhone charge. It's adding a new low power mode that can extend battery life for an additional 3 hours of normal use. The amount of free space required for the operating system update is 1.3 gigabytes. iOS 9 will support all devices supported by iOS 8. The developer beta starts today, the public beta starts in July. iOS 9 will roll out as a free update this fall. For more on iOS and Apple's Worldwide Developers Conference, stay tuned right here to IGN.